Hello, myself Monalisa Vilas Chetithor. I'm basically from Jalgaon, Maharashtra. I have completed my graduation in Agriculture Engineering and Technology from Dr. Ullas Patil College of Agriculture Engineering and Technology. After that, I have took a 45 days of internship training at eVision TechnoServe Private Limited, where I got to learn on different modules like CCNA, Basic and Plus, Virtualization, ITIL, and many more networking concepts. I also got an access to have recorded sessions to clear all my concepts on daily basis, and I also got a rigorous support from all the team members and the mentors on eVision TechnoServe. And I have recently got placed at Net Global Connect NCG, and the deputation is HPE as an L1 compute storage engineer. So I want to thank all the team members and mentors on eVision TechnoServe to help me throughout the process. So thank you so much.